Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level of your headphones Holyhigh V10 on your iOS device. To check battery level you should add widget. So swipe to the right, click on empty space, edit, add widget, scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one for your widget and click add widget. And here we go. Just don't remember to connect your headphones to your device. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!